सासंग जी आओ दसे पिता गुरु गोबिंद सिंह जी महाराज जी दित्ती हुई फतेह की सांझ पाए वाहेगुरु जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह। ये बहुत मान वाली गल है कि आप सारे सिख भैन ते भरा इत्थे इकट्ठे होके नेशन दे कैपिटल दे सामने अपने हॉलीडे नू सैलीब्रेट करदे पे ते उन्हां दसदे भी पे कि हाउ unseen we've been, how many things we contributed to this community, to the United States of America, to New York State, to DMV area, all around the United States of America, yet we still have to fight every single day. मैं एक छोटी जी गल कहनी है, this past Sunday, we're from Queens, एक बापू जी आए सी from India, and he was attacked only 2 blocks away from Gurukar Sikh Culture Society, only 2 blocks away. Jeda area aapa Little Punjab claim karte hain, government ne bhi street sign lata, yet acts of hate is still going on there every single day. We've been advocating, asi inna issue amplify kita, from the mayor to the governor of the state to even people of the Congress are making sure that they amplify that and are standing with us so this Uncle Ji gets justice. Oh Uncle Ji ਇੱਥੇ Sikh Day parade ਮਨਾਉਣ ਆਏ ਸੀ ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਡਰਨਾ ਵਾਪਸ ਇੰਡੀਆ ਚੱਲ ਗਏ। Those are the struggles we all have in front of us if we don't get inside the building. It's not about standing out here no more. We want to be inside now. And we want to be on that table making those decisions. So we can talk about Sikh genocide. We can talk about Vaisakhi. We can talk about every single issue we've been talking about out here for the last 30 years. That's the only way we can make sure acts of hate never happen in this country. Sade Vada Veer Deep Sidhu, why was he murdered? Because of us. Sade karke. We did not speak up when we should have. Je aapa kar dende, oh sade vich hunda. We talk about things jidoo ho jandiyan ne. Let's talk about things now. Tade satkar now. ਅਸੀਂ ਫੇਰ ਇਸ ਸਾਲ ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਸਟੇਟ ਸੈਨੇਟ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਖੜੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਕੋਈ ਸਿੱਖ ਸਟੇਟ ਦੀ ਇਲੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਲੜਨ ਲੱਗਾ ਇਨ ਨਿਊਯਾਰਕ ਸਟੇਟ ਫਰਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ। ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਟੀ ਕਾਉਂਸਲ ਲੜੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਕਾਫੀ ਵਾਰੀ but this is the first time in the state of New York there will be a Singh on the ballot and we need your support. And again, I know a lot of people are from the DMV area, but you can support in many ways. If you have family members in New York, please let them know. Vote for Singh. A district which Richmond Hill bhi aanda hai, donne Gurukar bhi aande ne. So I know we have limited time. So thank you guys so much for coming out, and let's continue fighting a good fight. Thank you so much. Vaheguru Ji ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji ki Fateh.